Welcome to Alina's Creative World. In this lecture, you will be learning how to convert decimal numbers into the binary numbers. I will teach you two methods to convert decimal numbers into the binary numbers. So there is a question you can see 84. So I'm going to teach you how to convert it by the first method. So what I'll do that I'll divide it by the number 2 and record the remainders. So I will just write this 84 and divide it by 2. So 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8 and 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2. So the answer is going to be 42. So it is like totally divisible by 2. So the remainder is going to be 0. I will write remainder in this section. Remainder is going to be 0. So again I'll divide it by 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. So the remainder is also 0. Now 2 multiplied by 10 is equal to 20. So the 1 remains. So the 1 is our remainder. Now 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10. So the remainder is going to be 0. Now 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. So the remainder is going to be 1. And finally 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. So the remainder is going to be 0. Okay. Now you can see we have the remainders here. The remainders are in 1 and 0 form, that is like the binary numbers. So this is actually the answer of our question. But how to record it, I'll just show you. We go from bottom to top. This is how we record our answer. So our answer is going to be 84 is equal to 1 0 1 0 1 0 0. Let me write it. 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 base 2. So this is the first method. So now I'll teach you the second method by using powers of 2. So as you can see, I've already written these powers and their values. I have used powers up to 2 power 7 and their values. So what we'll do is that we have to find the number that is equal to or less than our question number. Okay, like we have this 84. So we'll have to find the number here that is equal to 84 or less than 84. So we can see that 64 here is less than 84. So we'll note it down. 64. Now what we'll do is that 84 minus 64, it is equal to 20. So our next number is 20. Now we have to find the number that is like equal to or less than 20. So we can see that 16 is less than 20. So we'll use this number. So we'll write it here 16 and we'll subtract 16 from 20. So answer is going to be 4. Again the same procedure, that we'll find the number that is equal to 4 or less than 4. So we can see that we have 4 here. So there is no need to use the numbers less than 4 as we have the number equal to 8. Okay. So now I'll write this number again here, plus 4. Now 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. It means we have to stop our procedure of finding the numbers here, and we'll add these numbers. If the sum of this number is equal to 84, it means that we have found the correct numbers. So 64 plus 16 plus 4, yes, it is equal to 84. Now how we'll convert it in the binary numbers? Let me show you. Here we have 64, 16 and 4. What we'll do, we'll place 1 under these numbers and 0 under the numbers that are like not in our use or not giving us the number 84. Okay, so you can see we have our binary form here. So the answer is going to be 84 is equal to 1010100 base 2. So I have teach you the method. Now the question comes whether to use the method 1 or method 2. What I'll suggest is that, okay, I'll visually like do this so you can remember what is method 1 and what is like method 2. Okay, so the thing is that I'll suggest you to use the method 1 frequently because it is more convenient to use method 1 as it works perfectly for smaller numbers and larger numbers. Both of the numbers it works like perfectly. And I'll recommend you to use the method number 2 if you are working with the numbers smaller numbers. Okay, as the 2 power 10 is equal to 1024. Try to use this method if you are dealing with the numbers equal to or smaller than 1024. Okay, if you are working with the numbers greater than 1024, then I'll recommend you to use the method number 1.